Good evening. Hello. How are you this fine summer's eve? Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a super fun and powerful Ulta haul. That is right, you guys, we are going to be doing this Ulta haul today. I got this in the mail yesterday, so I really want to show you the things that I got. Oh my gosh, it scared me so much. I had no idea that she was like literally right behind me. Hi, honey. Hello, gorgeous girl. I have some wine with me today. I have some vino with me, so we're just gonna chat. I'm gonna, if you're above the legal drinking age in your country, join me. If you're not, then have some coffee or tea or whatever you decide to drink. And let's get started. I'm very excited. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. As always, a quick little disclaimer before we get into the haul. Every time I do these hauls, no part of me is ever trying to be braggy or being like, look at the stuff that I got or anything like that. I know that we are still in more of a hard time. I still understand that everything is not opened back up and we're still feeling the effects of everything that's been going on. So no part of me is ever trying to be like braggy or being like, oh my gosh, look at all the things I have. Not like that at all. I'm not that kind of person. That's not who I'm ever going to be. I do these hauls with the hopes that you guys may see something that I haul and then you may end up getting it yourself and being like, oh my gosh, I want to try that. But I do of course want you to know that me doing these hauls are not malicious in any way or trying to be rude or anything like that. But yes, with that being said, let's get on into the haul. Okay, so I got this from Morphe right here. This is the 24A Artist Pass Artistry Palette. I don't know why. I don't really ever buy palettes from Morphe. I know I bought the pastel one that they did a little while ago and it's like, it's not available anymore. It's like the Icy palette. It's a pastel one. But here's what this one looks like and then here's what it looks like inside. It does look very, very pretty. I'm just a little confused about like this shade and these seem very glittery. Yeah, this is right here very pretty, but it is legit glitter, so you may have to be careful. But I haven't played with a Morphe palette since the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 came out, so I'm excited to try it out. This is not something that I normally pick up, but I'm excited nonetheless. Another thing that I got that's also from Morphe is this right here. Now I'm super excited about this. So here's what it looks like. It comes in this cool like orange fanny. Orange? Orange. I feel like I said that weird. It comes in this really cool orange fanny pack and it's like clear, and I know these are like super in style right now, so these are really cool. And it has these brushes right here. Now I will say, I know that I complain a lot when getting brushes in my BoxyCharm and stuff like that. I totally understand, like I totally get it. Like you're like, Kenzie, you complain all the time about getting brushes, but then you buy brushes. I think it's just I like certain kinds of brushes. I honestly have no idea. I have no clue and I have no excuse, literally at all. I got these for a certain reason here. So I do like Morphe brushes quite a lot actually. I'd use them every day. And I got it mainly for this brush right here. And this is, oh, it doesn't actually say, but it is this really nice fluffy blending brush. I will say these feel very, very cheap. Like I feel like I could snap this in half in like 5 seconds. But, they weren't expensive or anything. This one's like a cute, tiny little smudger brush. This one's a highlight brush and you have a little bottom lash line smudger. This one is really cool. I actually found this really awesome as well when I was looking. This is to apply glitter. So like, that's really great. I know Huda Beauty has something kind of similar to that. It's like a silicone glitter applicator. So that one's pretty cool. So I will be using that. Okay, I got 3 nail polishes here. One of them I have on my nails already, and I have already messed them up because I am absolute trash at taking care of my nail polish. So I got this one right here. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. This one oh my gosh, I've been trying to find a shade like this for so long. It is called Peach Side Babe. So it's like this peachy, really nice peachy pink kind of color, and I'm obsessed with it. I got this one on a whim. It's called Mademoiselle, and it's a very, very light baby pink color. I normally don't wear pink polish like this light of a pink, but I do think that it would be nice if it's just something that, if you don't want a super bold color, but you don't quite want a nude color, you can do something like this. I have no idea. And then this one I'm super excited about. This one is called Bikini So Teeny, and it's like, I think it has a little baby sparkles in there, but it is this really, really gorgeous lavender color, and I love it. So I got those three. Next up here, oh, I got these lashes. Okay, so basically I got these lashes from Ardell because I've seen many, many people recommend these kinds of lashes, and I saw Kathleen Lights did her Foxy Eye makeup tutorial a couple videos ago, or maybe last video, and she was using these kinds of lashes, and I was like, oh, if I do that, I want to try that Foxy Eye trend. So she used these lashes, and I was like, okay, so hers looks really good, so maybe I'll get some lashes that are more like flared out here. Those are the kind that I normally wear, but like I haven't bought lashes in a little while, so I should probably do that. And I've heard these are fantastic, so, and they're drugstore, I believe, so they were pretty cheap. Kiva is being very cuddly today. Yes, you are. You just want to be on top of me today. Next up, I got another palette, and this one is from BH Cosmetics. This is called the Romantic Nomad palette, and this was so adorable when I saw it on the website. It is, oh my goodness, look! And then when you open it, oh my god, these are tiny. I had no idea these are so small. These are so small. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of obsessed with how tiny these are. Oh wow, look at that. That's some nice pigment right there. Even though it's small, that packs a punch. Look at this dark one. Yes. Okay, super, super hyped about this. This is, I can't wait. I'm gonna do a review on this. I'm excited. This is adorable. I got a few more things in here. I got this from Florence by Mills. This is one of her new Bouncy Cloud highlighters, and this is in the shade Moonlight Glow. And this is so cute. I love cream highlights and just highlights in general. So here is this. I don't know why I smelled it. And I think this is one that you could really supply with your, can't see that, that you could just apply with your finger. Probably. Let me see what it looks like swatched here. Oh, it's cute. It's pretty. It's very light, and I think it's meant to be that way because Millie Bobby Brown's brand is more along the lines of friendly to the girl next door and everything. It's just like a lighter kind of makeup like that, but this is really cute. I don't think the glitters are from this. I think the glitters is from the Morphe glitter that I put on the back of my hand. Next up, I got the, oh, I should use this today. Crap, I forgot. Okay, next up, I got these two gel liners from IT Cosmetics. I have never used these before. This one's in black, and this one is in espresso, which is like a brown, like a dark brown color. And I've never used one of their liners before, but this looks super promising. All right, now that's very, very black, and that is very creamy. So I don't want to mess this up, and it's very, very black. Like, that's great. I love that. And then I got a brown one just in case if I wanted to use a brown liner. You can tell the difference, but they are super dark. I love that. I cannot wait to use these. And I got three things. Last but certainly not least, I got three more of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Liners right here. I love these. I keep forgetting to use it. I should have used it today. Crap. I should have used it today. I should have used this pink one. You know what? Can I put it on now? If I put it on, if I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, can you handle that? Oh my god. Oh, I love this one. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love this one so much. This one is like one of my favorites so far. I'm like officially obsessed with this one right here. I love this. This is gonna be in a favorites video, even if I almost said even if I never use it again. But of course I'm gonna use it again. Oh my goodness. This is in the shade almost blind. Grind. Isn't it funny that this shade is called Grind and I was just singing like the Back It Up song? Throw it back. Okay. Anyways, love this. I have tried to use some of the other ones as actual liners and didn't work out as good, but I think the glitters in this one is a little bit thinner, like tiny, finer, so I may be able to use this as an actual liner. If not, I can do one of these moments. Loving. Two other shades here. I got this green one that is called Stage Dive, and then Pyro. Pyro is basically the exact same thing as Grind, except it's just rainbow. This one is more like a pink and purple shift. This one's just like a holographic rainbow shift. Oh, look. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So cool. And then this green one. The glitters are super intense in this one, so I don't know if it's gonna be as... I don't know if it's gonna do as well. Yeah, no, this one, I don't know about this one. The glitters in this one, it is a pretty color, but the glitters in this one seem very, very big compared to the other two, and I don't know how this one's gonna apply. Like, it seems like the glitters are more spaced out, but I'll see. I'll test it out and see, but this is a gorgeous color. It screams Christmas. But yeah, you guys, that has been my Ulta haul for today. Not too much, and I did get some like drugstore stuff, which I'm super happy with, as always. So yeah, you guys, that's going to be the end of the video here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If there's anything in my haul that you like or that you've used before and you ended up liking or disliking, let me know, because I love like tips and tricks and, you know, learning about new things. So feel free to leave that in the comments. But I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I posted when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.